Hey all, Ashley here from Ashley Bright Crafts, and today I have I guess I have like a three-part video. Wanted to share some a challenge entry that I have for Kayla Crafts, and I wanted to share some projects that I've been making for Hip Kit Club, and that kind of overlaps with some of the additional outgoing mail I'm sending to Kayla. So yeah, I'm just gonna share a bunch of things. So let's get started. Kayla had a challenge entry, and I'll link all of her information down below, and you have until mid-December to enter into her giveaway. And all you have to do is make a pocket letter. I've actually never made one of these before, so this is my first one, and I'm not sure I exactly followed the rules. You think you're supposed to like decorate each one of these like individually, and then together it makes like this super fun cluster, but I made mine more like the kind of scrapbook layouts that I like, which is like some clusters like across the page and then like a lot of open space. So yeah, that's what I did. The outside here is all marigold paper. These four are Heidi swap paper with some tulle shakers on top. And yeah, then I got my like little enamel dots here, some chipboard, some fussy cutting, Jen Hatfield frame, Pink Fresh Studio florals, and marigold. Love this marigold collection so much, so pretty. And then I got little charms over here. I clipped them on so she can remove them. And got this little umbrella, and then this little rose. Yeah, so I love how it came out. I think it's very pretty. And the back, though, I will say if I stuffed more stuff in the back, I didn't like how it made the front look, because it just, yeah, I don't know. The front is very simple, so then if it gets bulky, it doesn't look that good. So yeah, I kept the back pretty simple, but I did want it to kind of mirror the front. So I have like round edges, a bunch of envelopes for her to pull out and use. And then here's like pink vellum, and then just my information that she requested. So yeah, here is this little guy. And then I made sure to make sure that the frame wasn't adhered down too much so that it can still fold up like this. And I'm going to stick it in a little pocket, very simple pocket that I made, but yeah, I'm going to stick this guy in this little pocket with the charms hanging out so that it can travel like this. So that is the challenge entry. I will say Kayla has been like super generous with me in the past, and I'll link a video here, and I just wanted to send her some extra things. I thought it'd be fun, so I've got a couple things going her way. Again, this is using a lot of like mix of stuff, because it's just like Hip Kit Club stuff from September and October, so it's a lot of like cozy days from Simple Stories, and then a lot of Marigold Maggie Holmes. So here is this first package with the little cluster, but I guess like those two collections though, they're both like very fall vibes. So yeah, it's kind of like fall themed. I would say like definitely fall themed. And then yeah, got a couple jemmies in here. So that's this first guy, and then in this second one, more like cozy days. Look at these cute squirrels, so cute, and a little teacup, and then some fussy cutting from that marigold paper. That black and white floral paper is beautiful. All the floral papers in marigold are just like absolutely stunning. I love them all. And then oh yeah, and then I also used a lot of Pink Fresh Studio. This is Days of Splendor collection. Yeah, I made some shakers, little cute little mini shakers, and that's going in here. And then I've got this little baggie with this bow up here, and in here is some rosettes. This is all marigold. So rosettes with cut-aparts, chipboard, gold stickers, gold foam hearts, puffy stickers, stitching, all the things. yeah, I love how these guys came out. Some more actually like Jen Hadfield wood veneers tucked in there. Yeah, I really love those rosettes. Super pretty. And then actually on the exact opposite scale in terms of like dimensional, I made some very simple like packaging using some like dictionary paper stuff that was sent to me from Emily. And yeah, I just added a couple of doilies to them and then just some chipboard, but I love how pretty they came out. Look at this one. I love this one. So pretty. I mean, using this with anything would probably turn out gorgeous. Yeah, so simple but pretty. And then inside I've got some Pink Fresh Studio things. So this one's got these couple of embellishments stitched around. I fussy cut out the back frames, stitched around them, added some ephemera. I had to fussy cut all that ephemera because there's a lot of white border on these ephemera pieces, which I don't always love. Sometimes it's nice, but sometimes I prefer it. Look at this green one. I honestly like, I made this green one mostly because I know she likes green. I don't personally like love deeper green, or really green in general. But yeah, I think this little house guy came out so cute. Yeah, and then enamel dots and thread and all the things. And then this one is some ephemera pieces with a little mini rosette on top, and then some frames and a chipboard circle sticker. And then this one has got some mini vellum rosettes, teapot and a teacup. So cute. I love these. I love vellum. Well, speaking of vellum, this is the card I'm sending out. I'm not the best at making vellum cards yet, but I do, I've said this a lot, but I do love white heat embossing on vellum. I think it comes out so pretty. My little wax seal, and then this little cute card. All I need is tea and warm socks. So cute. And then I'm gifting her some thread, my stash ribbon, and this little Pink Fresh Studio cluster that I made using some fussy cut frames and ephemera pieces. And then I made a little sweater bag. It's supposed to be a sweater. I don't know if you can tell, but like, or an ode to a sweater. Sweater weather is this cuff out from Kit Club that I outlined because I liked it better with a little bit more outline definition around the edges. Some Jen Hadfield gold sticker things. Yeah, Cozy Days paper. Cozy Days like little tags I'm gifting her. Amy Tangerine heart paper clips I'm sending her. Look at this cute little cluster. There's lots of different little things there. And then a bunch of thread. Another like Kit Club cup out here, the little zipper. And then up here, I fussy cut out some of the Cozy Days sweater things and made little bag toppers and gifting her some of my favorites by Marigold. I just love this collection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I wanted to send some of that her way, or at least some extras for her. And then I also made a couple shaker boxes. So yeah, here are my 2 shaker boxes. This is actually using, Cozy Days has like a pack of these huge frames that I'm sure you're supposed to be for like layouts and things. I don't do any traditional scrapbooking, so I wanted to use them some other way. I turned them into shaker windows, and I love how cute they look. Yeah, so here is this first one with a little fox. I did try to incorporate like little animals all over the place. I love little woodland creatures so much, and of course I love like teacups and like teapot ephemera, and I also love, like, you know, it's definitely a fall themed collection, but there was a lot of pink here still, and I appreciated that because otherwise it's kind of tough to use fall colors for me. So yeah, here's a little floral cluster over here and my shaker, and then inside will say these bows, man, these bows were tough to put together. I don't know how people make these. I mean, I'm sure there's definitely an easier way than the way I made them, but I definitely think next time I would not use 2 pieces of thick paper. And I'm gonna have to figure out some other glue, because my Tombow glue, which is usually so trustworthy and reliable, just like would barely hold these guys together. I had to clip them down overnight, and yeah, but the end result is super cute. I love how they turned out. And yeah, this is a cut file from Silhouette Studio. So yeah, that's those guys. And then here's my second box. This is Jen Hatfield and the Marigold. A little tiny post over there. Yeah, love this guy too. So pretty. Love this sequence mix. Not like, it doesn't have like that many crazy colors in them, but just like a variety of pinks, and then this touch of this like gold mustardy color, which is in a lot of this collection. I think looks really cute. And then let's see. And here is a bunch of rolled flowers that I made. Paige Evans cut file and Hip Kit Club cut file. And yeah, love using these. So I wanted to send some her way. And then this guy can close for me, please. Thank you. Oh, one more box. This is another shaker guy. Some more fussy cutting here. Another fox, because of course I'm gonna use up all the foxes while I can for fall. And yeah, inside are just a ton of rosettes. I don't have that much flourish because I am not as big a fan of that collection as she is, but I know she likes it, so I had one 4x12 paper from Flourish, and I made those into rosettes. And then I also made these guys. There's a couple different sizes in here, but made this one into rosette too. This is one of those pattern papers that I find like super hard to use when it's flat, but when it's in rosette form, it looks really cool. Like the pattern looks cool, and it's only a little bit's gonna peek out of it by the time you decorate it. So, or if she wants winter, she can use that size. So yeah. That's this little guy. Oh, and the box also, this is a Lori Whitlock cut file from Silhouette Studio, and the box folds flat too when she's done using her rosette. So I thought, since I was sending her a couple other boxes, I'd send her one that was a little more storage friendly. Okay, and then this little pouch here with just some pretty things and clipped on. And then this is the remainder of my Jen Hatfield wood veneer things I had. So it's a bunch of like frames and florals and houses and stuff for her to incorporate. And then I've got this little pink bag that's got some sequins in it, some floral sequins in it that are like kind of holographic-y. So I got some of these like little circle charms in them with like little flowers and some little tassels, and then these like cute little reindeer charms. I love those ones. They're pink, it's adorable. And then got some little Alice in Wonderland charms just for a touch of whimsy, because, you know, just love it. And you know, I really love these kinds of like unique charms. I sent her some like, I guess, more practical charms, like the tassel ones, but I personally love, like, you know, ever since I've seen like all these like more unusual charms that you can find on AliExpress that you don't see like a ton of people using in their crafts, I love those in particular. They're so like fun, and like I said, adds a touch of whimsy, and yeah, it's so fun. And then oh, you know what, the last project I made for Hip Kit Club were these like little envelope things that I made just using up scraps. So there's a process video for this up by now, maybe, or soon coming. Yeah, it should be up. And yeah, like I said, just using up the remaining of my scraps after I made all the rest of the stuff. And so I'm probably gonna just tuck in some little notes for her for throughout the package into these little guys and send them to her. But yeah, just like a little mini envelope embellishments. And then this guy, I think I packaged it up, but I should have packaged it before I showed it. let's see. Is this a cute little wagon wheelbarrow? I showed this on my Instagram. Look how cute. It's just like it's just so cute. I just love it. I love this like cute little stuff. And then of course there's like florals on it, and I love the color of it, and I love that there's a little animal in it. It's like adorable. So yeah, I hope she likes it. And yeah, just had so much fun making this little guy. It's so cute. And I got like a little pom-pom in here. And yeah, just because like you know, it's quite delicate, this part, so not too much heavy stuff is gonna fit, so I had to put something really light in here but still big. That is everything, so thank you so much for watching, and this is what I'm sending over to Kayla Crafts. This is what I've been using for my hip kit clubs the last couple months. I'm officially putting the fall kits away, and I will be starting on my Christmas crafting, so I'm super excited for that. And yeah, I hope Kayla likes everything that I've sent over to her, and I hope you all will like this video and comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.